The Tangem wallet utilizes near-field communication (NFC) technology, which is the same proven standard used for contactless payments worldwide. This foundation makes its functionality inherently reliable. The Tangem cards contain a certified secure chip that communicates wirelessly with your smartphone via NFC. This process is designed to be straightforward and robust. When you hold the Tangem card close to your phone's NFC reader, the two devices establish a connection. This link is extremely short range, typically just a few centimeters, which is a key factor in its security and reliability. The proximity required means interference from other sources is minimal. For the NFC function to work correctly, both your Tangem card and your smartphone must be functioning as intended. The card itself is a passive device, drawing power from your phone's NFC field to complete the transaction or verification. A successful connection depends on the phone's NFC being enabled and positioning the card correctly over the reader area. Most modern smartphones have a very consistent NFC performance. In practice, the reliability of Tangem's NFC is on par with using your phone for a tap-to-pay purchase. Failures are usually attributable to common user errors, such as moving the card too quickly, a thick phone case obstructing the signal, or the phone's NFC feature being disabled. When these simple prerequisites are met, the connection is typically instantaneous and stable for signing transactions or confirming addresses. Tangem's security elements, like the secure element chip, are built to work seamlessly within this established NFC framework, ensuring that the technology is not only reliable but also facilitates the highest level of cryptographic protection for your assets. The continuous development and widespread adoption of NFC technology further solidify its position as a dependable and future-proof method for hardware wallet interaction.